Did you know that 3D printing is revolutionizing the medical field? With the ability to create custom prosthetics and even bioprint human tissues, this technology is saving lives and transforming healthcare. 3D printing has been used to construct entire houses. These innovative structures can be built in just a few days, making housing more affordable and accessible. From fashion to food, 3D printing is entering diverse industries. Designers are using it to create intricate clothing pieces, while chefs are crafting edible sculptures. One of the most exciting aspects of 3D printing? You can print your own toys. Imagine designing a unique action figure and watching it come to life in your living room. 3D printing is helping in space exploration too. NASA is working on technologies that use 3D printing to create tools and even habitats on Mars, paving the way for future colonization. The construction industry is harnessing the power of 3D printing to create sturdy structures, reducing waste and improving efficiency, all while saving time and resources. Finally, did you know that 3D printing can create intricate artwork? Artists around the world are embracing this technology to push the boundaries of conventional art. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.